What is up, YouTube? I have not opened up any of the Shiny V yet, and my friend here is kind enough to let me open these 5 packs. Hopefully we can pull the Charizard, and then after I'll be opening this up as well. I don't know what the heavy hitters are other than the Charizard. I know the Ditto is, and basically all the Pokemon that are displayed on the front here. Probably should go from the bottom. Might be a little easier. Maybe not. Some of these packs are going to be difficult to open. And I don't think there is a pack trick for this, but I don't know what it is. I already see a V card in the background there. Oh, this is textured. That's pretty cool. It'd be really cool to get a God pack. Okay, we already got ourselves a shiny Pokemon. Awesome. That is pretty cool. Wow. These packs are just full of good cards, aren't they? Wow. Look at that. That is some cool reflections there. That is tight. All right. I already like this set. Bringing a smile to the face. Can't wait for the English rendition to come out. I didn't know that these were textured. Maybe there's a V card in pretty much every pack. All right. I'm more of a vintage guy. I don't really know what that is. I just flipped that over to come back to the same spot to try to open it. Man, there we go. Tearing that open. Yeah, the texture on these cards is awesome. Milotic. Alright. That one opened easy. Some of them just don't have the same amount of adhesive as the others do. Yeah, so you're definitely guaranteed a V card in every pack, it looks like. Haunter. Haunt. Last one. But not the last Japanese pack I'll be opening on this video. Rillaboom, I know that one. Cool, so we got one shiny card out of all those. Here we go, Japanese. And the card is on the front, so I'm not gonna go with that yet. I'm gonna put that down. Centering looks pretty decent on it though. All right, Tentacruel, Seadra Golem, Tentacool, Horsey, Zubat, Kabuto, and for our holo, Kabutops. All right, clean holo. Centering's a little bit off from right to left, but other than that, not bad. Cool. Right on, YouTube. Take care.